So guys, today's video, I got an item on Jumia and I want to do an unboxing and a review video because I've seen a lot of people do review videos on YouTube, and when I want to get stuff, I watch their review, then I use it to make informed decision about the product, and it has helped me a lot. But I keep buying stuff and I don't even review them to help other people. So this particular stuff I got on Jumia is called a voice amplifier speaker with microphone. So the idea behind it is that the reason I got this product is that I do evangelism in the morning, so most of the time I have a very fragile voice. When I do the evangelism, I use my normal voice, I end up losing my voice. And when I want to make my YouTube videos, people cannot hear me clearly. I started looking for ways I can amplify my voice, a microphone that can work with a speaker, that I would not be using a megaphone, something that looks cool. You can just plug it and it has a speaker, but you are not carrying a megaphone or a big speaker. And I started doing research online, checking different stuff. I checked on Alibaba, AliExpress, and I saw a particular product that actually I felt could do a nice job, but because it is not really very popular, like the people are not using that for evangelism, I said, well, I'm going to see if I can get this product on AliExpress, but the delivery time was too long, so I decided to search for it on Jumia, and I saw it on Jumia. I'm going to head over to my computer screen and I'll show you guys the product. I saw two different products, the one I bought, then I will do the unboxing, right? If you guys are okay with that, make sure you stay tuned to this channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn my bell post notification on. Alright, so straight to my computer screen, you can see that I went on AliExpress and searched for portable voice amplifier speaker with microphone, right? And I saw a lot of options with the prices 33,000, 11,000, 30,000, 12,800. Now there was one I saw that I really liked, but the only problem I had with that is that this particular one, 5,678, and the shipping time, it was going to take like almost 3 weeks to, let's say, 60 days. So because of that, I decided not to buy from AliExpress. Then the next thing I did was I went on Jumia to search for the same thing, portable voice amplifier speaker with microphone. And when I came here, I saw a lot of products. The one of 61,000, 29,000, 7,500 naira. This is just a speaker. This one doesn't have microphone, but the one with microphone and speaker, the prices, I could see them, 27,000, 34,000. The one I saw on AliExpress, I just kept on looking and I found it. Yeah, this is it, right? This person says 7,650 naira, but there was one I still saw that was around that price, that amount. And when I think it was this one, then I had to now cut it, right? So if you come to my orders, this is my own Jumia account, and you come to my orders, you see the microphone here, close portable amplify speaker with microphone order, and it was delivered on Tuesday. I placed the order I think on Sunday night, and it got delivered on Tuesday. I'm going to just open the C details. So in the proceeding part of the video, I'm going to unveil it and review it so that you guys can see. So you can see that one item, the total was 8,520 naira. The price of the product itself was 6,650 naira, and I made my payment with bank transfer, door delivery, blah blah blah. Anyway, every other thing is done. So I'm going to proceed to the video now, so that we can continue the unboxing and the review, right? Alright, so let me unbox my portable microphone amplifier speaker. Now you can use this particular product in two ways. You can use it indoor and outdoor. When you want to use it for indoor, that means you're probably a lecturer, you're a preacher. That is, you are either a lecturer or a public speaker, whatever the case may be. You are in a hall where you can talk to people that are listening to you. You don't need to stretch your voice or strain your voice. And if you want to use it for outdoor, that means it will be probably an outdoor gathering and in a field, in a car park, wherever the place is. People are also gathered there, and you also want to speak to them without straining your voice. It also works well, but it's better off when you're indoor in a hall. Even when you use it outdoor, it's also very okay, but sometimes surrounding noise, maybe car on and other stuff, could also disturb. But the speaker itself is nice. I got the package from Jumia, and in the space of 2 days, when I placed my order, it got delivered to me in Ibadan. At the time I ordered this stuff, I was in Ibadan. I'm going to unbox it now. I'm going to unbox it, right? I'm going to unbox it, and so let's do the unboxing process. Good. So look at the product. Everything that is written here is written in Chinese language. I don't think there's any English writing on it, but I'm going to open it to see if this is exactly what I ordered for. I'm going to open it to see. But in the front pack of this particular product, where this paper is covered, you can see the speaker here. You can see the speaker, right? And there's this hi-fi on the body. Now when you open it, right? Oh my god, when you open, I want you guys to see this thing clearly. This is the first time I'll be doing an unboxing. So when you open, you're going to see a manual, a guide that is also written in Chinese language. I think these guys need to do better. You know, everything is written in Chinese language. For people that are not Chinese people, the user experience is not really good. They need to do better so that next time one can be able to understand what is in this manual. But right now, based on the manual, I cannot read Chinese or Mandarin or whichever language that is there, so I may not be able to use this. Then there is a receipt. There is a Jumia sales receipt, so the price item itself is 6,650 naira. So I got this for 6,650 naira, while the total amount for shipping is 8,520 naira, right? And they're giving me 7 days for me to return the product, you know, free return within 15 days of for the official store items, and 7 days for other eligible terms, and you get 100% refund for your item, including the amount paid for shipping if you choose to return. So in the space of 7 days, if you are not okay or you are not satisfied with the product, you can return it and you will get a refund, including your money for shipping. So basically, I think I'm okay with that. And now let's look at the item properly. The first thing I can find here, the major, is the speaker, right? They put the speaker in a white, I'm not going to call this a nylon, but whatever it is, but this is the speaker, very small speaker. We are going to test everything. Put the speakers in something like this, and on the speaker we have the volume button, we have the mic button, we have the charging port, we have the forward and backward button, we have the power button which is in the middle, also works as play and pause button. Then we also have a memory card slot and a USB slot. Apart from that, behind the speaker there is a clip, and there is this hook for a belt, which means there could be a belt somewhere in this pack. I'm going to show you guys when I see it. I think the battery is internal, so you cannot have access to the battery. Now the next thing is the microphone itself. This is the microphone that you're going to use to talk, and this microphone will be connected to this speaker. Although I've not used this before, but I think with common sense one will be able to test this. And the microphone, you know, it looks very fine and fanciful. It's a fancy mic. It looks fine. I just hope that the quality is okay, right? And this is where the mouthpiece is. This is where the mouthpiece is, right? And apart from that, still in this pack there is a belt. There is a belt. Like I said, there's a belt that you can clip on this edge. I told you guys, 2 mouths here. There's a belt, right? So we can choose to fix the belt if you want to, you know, and you can choose to clip this on your trouser, on your waist if you want to. So you can just fix the belt. But right now, I don't think that's let me just do it, you know, since it's part of the unboxing tutorial. Well, let me first leave it, right? And the belt is adjustable. You can widen it, you can reduce it, you can look at it, you can widen it this way. You can also reduce it. Look at it. You can make it longer, you can make it shorter, you can hang it on your shoulder, right? That is the belt. And what else again is in this pack? Oh, there is a charger, a USB cord, a USB to charge. You can just insert the USB in the charging port in this place, right? You can insert the USB and you connect this so you can connect this USB cord to a charger head, but there's no charger head. There's a USB cable. That is not a problem. I have a lot of charger head. I can use that to charge this stuff, and I think when you charge it, a red light will show here, right? So now I'm going to switch on this microphone so that you guys can see. So I'm going to place the power button
麦克风模式。
Okay, so the microphone spoke in Chinese. I don't know what the person said, but it means the microphone is on. I'm going to increase the volume and reduce the volume. There's no effect on it because the microphone is not connected. I can press the next button to see whether anything will happen. I can't feel anything, nothing is showing here. Maybe, I think maybe when you insert a memory card to this, that is where you can use this play, pause and next button. So for us to use the speaker, all we need to do is to connect the headphone to the loudspeaker, right? So I'm going to call this the loudspeaker box, I'm going to call this the headphone, right? So not a headphone, like a mouthpiece or something like that, the portable mouthpiece. So what we need to do is to connect this. So I'm going to take the USB part, connect it to this speaker box, then I'll try to increase the volume. You can hear sound. Oh, sorry, there's interference. Okay, so I have to separate the speaker from the microphone so that it will not have interference. Then I'm going to talk with the speaker. Hello guys, hello guys. You can see that this is actually loud. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I can reduce the volume. Then I can reduce it. Now I've reduced the volume, so I'm going to increase it. Hello, 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 hello. Wow, this is loud. This is beautiful. Now how do you connect this to, how do you connect this? Oh, I've stopped talking my microphone, sorry guys, but now I have to connect it in such a way that it will be the way it has been designed to work. So I'm going to put this on, I think like this. I've worked with something like this before. I put this close to my ear, right, like this, close to my ear. I'll wear my face cap back. I'm already sweating. Then I'm going to adjust, this is adjustable, the mic mouth to be close to my mouth. Then I can increase the volume and begin to talk, right? I don't know if you guys heard me because I moved the mic far from me. So what I did was I connected this to my neck, the microphone mouth close to my mouth. Then I have to increase the volume of the speaker. Then I begin to talk. You can see this is actually very loud, very, very loud, very loud. This is the speaker, so I may have to stand up. If you want to hang this, you can hang it in different ways. I think with the rope you can hang it over your body. You can also hang it on your waist. Sorry, excuse me guys, I don't know if this microphone has disconnected. Right, when I stood up something fell off, right? So you can hang this on your waist like this, and you can begin to talk using this. Like this is the speaker here, you can hang it on your waist and you can adjust the microphone. The closer, the proximity the microphone is to your mouth is how loud the stuff is, right? So I think from what I can get here, this is actually very, very nice. Maybe I will have to off the microphone of my camera so that you guys can hear the speaker without the microphone of my camera. I don't know. So I've disconnected the microphone I'm using to record my video, the inbuilt microphone, so that this particular microphone will pick the sound of this. Although from what I can get right now, this is very clear, very loud. It is good for the price, it's decent, and I'm sure you guys will be able to differentiate when I off. Let me reduce the mic and talk with the normal camera mic, and you'll see the difference. So this is the mic when it is on. I'm going to off it. Right, so guys, this is the difference. Now the mic is off. I don't know if you guys can hear me clearly. This is the same tone, the same voice tone. That is what I'm using right now, but the mic is off now. The speaker mic is off. So I'm going to on it back, increase the volume little by little, little by little. Now the volume is in the loudest. This is it. So if you want to spot the difference, you can, play the video back again. Right now the microphone is working. The microphone is working. The one on my neck, this particular mic is working, right? So I'm gonna reduce the volume again. It's off. Now it is on. It is on. So you guys can spot the difference. It is on. I think it is louder this way. It is clearer this way. And even when I want to increase I want to talk more, you can see that it can get, the closer the mic is to my mouth, the more louder it becomes. And if I take it far, it reduces how loud it is. You understand? But if I off the mic totally, you can see my voice is just normal. So this is enough for you to be able to gauge how the loudspeaker works. As far as I'm concerned, I think it is very satisfactory for the price. So we've come to the end of this review. I hope my review is able to do justice to this particular microphone, and if there's anything you want to ask, any question you want to ask, you can leave that in the comment section. Personally, if you ask me to rate this microphone over 10, I'm going to give it like a 7.5, and the reason is because for the price 6,650 naira to get something like this delivery is very nice. The user experience is okay. You can just connect it to your ear, connect the wire, and you can hang it on your shoulder. If you use the belt, you can hang it on your waist if you want to. It is actually loud, it is decent, the battery lasts long. You can charge it with USB, you can charge it with power bank. I think it's very okay for me, right? I believe that maybe the output quality can be better than this, but for the price it is very fair. People can still hear you clearly. If you want maybe something higher than this, there are other ones that are more expensive. There's one of 24,000 naira, there's one of probably like almost 18 to 20k. There's even the one of 40 something thousand naira. But for this is very cheap. It's cheaper than a megaphone, and it is more preferable for me. I've been using it and I think I like what I've tested, and I think it is more preferable for me. In fact, I wasn't expecting it to be this good, but this has beat my expectation. I can't wait to use it on the field. And guys, that is the end of this review video. If you find this video helpful, you find this content nice, if you pick any value from it, make sure you leave that in the comment section. Like the video, it will encourage me to make more reviews. If you did not really like the review, this is the first time I'm making a product review video, please, I hope to do better next time. Bye for now. I hope to see you in my next video. Alpha Wolf signing out.